Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about an amazing resource that's perfect for Python enthusiasts and programmers looking to enhance their skills without breaking the bank. As a programmer, it's essential to stay up to date with the latest developments in your field. And one of the best ways to do this is by reading books. However, buying books can be expensive, especially if you're on a tight budget or just starting out. That's why we're excited to share with you a fantastic resource that offers free Python ebooks and allows you to request books that aren't currently available. Whether you're a beginner looking for introductory texts or an experienced programmer seeking advanced topics, this resource has got you covered. In this video, we'll be discussing the details of this incredible resource, how it works, and what you can expect from it. We'll also provide some tips on how to make the most out of this platform. So let's dive in. So where can you find these free Python ebooks? The answer lies in a fantastic online community that's dedicated to providing access to knowledge for everyone. This platform is built around the idea that learning should be accessible and affordable for all. The way it works is simple. Users can browse through an extensive library of ebooks on various topics, including Python programming. If you find a book that interests you, you can download it in PDF format or read it online directly from the website. The best part, all books are available completely free of charge. But what if you're looking for a specific book that's not currently listed on the platform? That's where the magic happens. You can request the book through their system, and the community will work to make it available to you. Here's how it works. When you request a book, the team behind this resource will try to find a copy or digitize one if possible. If they're successful, they'll add it to their library, making it accessible not just to you, but to everyone else who might be interested in that topic as well. This approach has several benefits. Firstly, it ensures that more and more books become available over time, which is fantastic for the community. Secondly, it encourages users to contribute by requesting books that they're passionate about, helping to create a rich and diverse library of resources. One thing to keep in mind is that this platform relies on donations and volunteer work from its members. If you find value in their offerings, consider contributing to their cause or spreading the word about this incredible resource. Before we wrap up, let's summarize the key points covered in this video. There's an amazing online resource offering free Python ebooks and allowing book requests. The platform provides access to a vast library of ebooks on various topics, including Python programming. All books are available for free download or online reading. If you can't find a specific book, you can request it through their system. Community relies on donations and volunteer work. That's all for today. We hope this video has introduced you to an incredible resource that will help you expand your Python skills without breaking the bank. Remember, learning should be accessible to everyone, and this platform embodies that spirit perfectly. If you had any questions or comments about this resource, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more content on programming and resources for developers. As a next step, we encourage you to check out this fantastic resource for yourself. Start browsing through their library today and discover new books that will help you grow as a programmer. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.